I think I got a thumbnail in there somewhere. You guys think so? I think so. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany. My channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Please ignore if you can hear the TV out in the living room. My dog is out there watching James Bond, so. And yes, I do mean my dog. You heard that right. My dog is watching James Bond because I don't want him to be bored while he's sitting out in the living room. So we put on the TV for him every single day. And I don't think there's anything weird about that, so we're gonna move on. Hey, those are mine. Rude. Please enjoy this beanie situation that you're getting today. My hair actually looks good today, but I woke up, and you ever just wake up and you feel like you want to look like a fisherman? Is that just me? I was feeling a fisherman vibe, and I feel like this beanie gives me a fisherman vibe, so that's what we're going with today. It's fisherman. It's gonna be like a super glam fisherman though, because as you see, I'm wearing my pink War Bison shirt, which means I'm gonna put pink eyeshadow on. I'm gonna start coordinating my eyeshadow looks to my band shirts, I think, maybe, at least this time. So it's gonna be a super glam pink eyeshadow fisherman. If that's too many things for you and it's hard to, you know, put all that together, I'm sorry. I just woke up today wanting to be a glam fisherman, so that's what I'm gonna go with. So here we are, this is what's happening. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a tutorial with this Makeup Forever eyeshadow palette. This is the Palette 9 Artist Shadow Palette. Yes, 9 Artist Shadow Palette. I bought it because it's been on sale on the Sephora website forever, and not very many items go on sale on the Sephora website. So I was like, I kept putting it in my cart and taking it out, and putting it in my cart and taking it out, because I was like, why is it on sale? Why is it not selling out? Does that mean it's not good? But I've heard nothing but good things about Makeup Forever eyeshadow, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it, because I'm sure there's other people who see it on sale and they're curious about it, so I figured I'd pick it up. I'd give it a shot and let you know if it's worth it. The color story is pretty cool. Look at those shades. That's why I had to change my shirt, because I was wearing like a white shirt, but then I saw this shade and I was like, well, I'm gonna put that on my eyes. And it matches my War Bison shirt, so here we are. So I think I'm gonna do something with the pink and the blue and the purple, maybe the green. I don't know, I'm just gonna fuck around, honestly. They're all shimmers, so we're gonna do a full shimmer eye, which is actually my hell, considering if you've seen any of my videos, I think I mention every single time that I don't like shimmer eyeshadow. I always do all matte, so let's call this the all shimmer eyeshadow challenge, prepared by a glam fisherman. Before we get started with this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. It helps me, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot, so hit that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. I think we're cool. I got some cool people. I don't know if I'm cool, but the people who follow me are cool, so cool by association. So you should definitely do that because it's a good idea. Yeah, I mean, I think so. But anyways, I think we should just get into this video. Do you want me to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see me create a hot pink and blue and purple makeup look with this Makeup Forever 9 Artist Shadow Palette, yeah, just keep on watching. All right, I'm gonna bring you in like a professional. I'm finally remembering to do that. I'm just getting so good at this YouTube thing. I should be after 2 years. 2, 3, 2. 2 years and yet no one knows who I am. Got my tea because I'm feeling like dog shit today. You might not be able to tell, but that's kind of why I'm like real uppity, because I'm trying to convince myself that I'm not sick, but I am. I've been coughing for days and days and days. I think my dog turned the TV up. I'm gonna go turn it down. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I walked out and it was 2 girls fighting on the screen and like pulling each other's hair. James Bond movies are weird, man. I guess it was just the times, but I don't know, women were depicted weird. And the relationships between men and women were really, really fucking weird. I don't know. I'm glad I wasn't born in that time. That would have sucked. I've actually never watched a James Bond movie all the way through. Is that weird? I think that's weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this look. I'm going to start by taking this blue shade. Let me see. Does it have a name? ME232. Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to pack that on the inner and the outer because I think I'm going to do a halo eye. So I'm picking it up on like a dense little synthetic brush because it is shimmer. My base is just the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Not set, but like it's been sitting there a while, so it feels dry. And I'm just going to pat this on the eye. Ooh, that's pretty. That's quite pigmented, in my humble opinion. Looks good. Looks good. Now let's hit this inner corner. Sorry if you see the mirror. I forgot my like bigger mirror, so this is actually probably better because I'm like closer to the screen, but whatever. Hopefully you guys can see well what I'm doing. Cool, cool. Now I'm gonna try to blend the shimmer, which feels so weird to me because I don't ever blend shimmers in the crease. But here we are. So I think that actually blended out pretty good. It's so weird to like blend a shimmer all over everything, but that's the kind of palette this is. There's no mattes in it, so I'm only going to use this palette. Yeah. I think I'm just going to try to use as little brushes as possible too. I just want this to be an easy look. Even though it's going to be intense, I still want it to be easy. So I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to hit that pink. What is that shade called? Oh shit. Second row, first shade. ME1, nope, ME910. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna hit that in the center. All right, that's pretty. I don't like it with this brush, so I'm gonna use my finger. Try to get it as intense as possible. There we go, that's what I wanted from the very beginning. This look's gonna be weird. I don't know about this look. Sounded like a good plan at the time, but that looks weird, right? It looks pretty cool the way it's mixing with the blue and the pink. It's turning into a cool purple shade. So maybe, I think I know what I'll do to try to make the look cohesive. So that's what we're dealing with there. So what I think I'm gonna do is hit the inner and outer corner with purple and then just have the blue in the crease. It's not the look I was planning, but it's the look I think we're gonna go with. Clean this brush out. I need someone to come to my house, please, and clean all of my makeup brushes because I flat out refuse. I have, if I could show you how many makeup brushes I have, it's outstanding. Subscription boxes, what's up? Give me all the makeup brushes, please. Thank you, but now I have so many to wash and I don't wash them, so. I would pay good money for someone to come over here and do that. Don't look at my lighter. What? Don't look at my lighter. All right, let's go in and hit these corners. That's pretty, actually. That's a pretty purple. That looks real nice. And now let's hit the inner corner. Pretty. It's a pretty shade. It mixes well with this pink. I'm going to kind of take that into the crease to blend in with that blue to make it make sense. Okay, I feel like this is making a lot more sense now that we added that purple because it was looking a bit weird, and this might still be weird for you. I wouldn't be surprised because this is like, I mean, first off, it's all shimmer and it's colorful. That's not for everyone, and I know that. Gonna try to brighten up that pink in the center a little bit. This isn't my favorite pink I've ever used, but it's not my least favorite either. It's just not as pigmented as I'd like, but if you pack it on with your finger, it does look really nice. Look at that. Okay, I like that. Okay, now what on the lower lash line? I don't know, I wish I could do a poll right now and you could tell me, but you can't, so I gotta figure this out for myself. Have to be a self-sufficient, decisive adult. My least favorite things to be. I wish I could work in that green, but I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think that's gonna work. So I think I want to take the bright blue again. I think I'm just gonna mirror the, it's a halo, I'm gonna mirror the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the blue first. Okay, you know what? I'm actually not going to mirror the top because I don't want to put dark purple in the inner. I don't feel like that works very well on my eye shape, so I got eyeshadow in my eye. Wait a minute. So what I'm going to do is take that dark purple and hit the outer. Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. He wants to hang out. He's cool. He's pretty dope, so if you wanted to, like, subscribe to come and hang out with him, he is a pretty cool cat to spend time with, I will say that. He is my least favorite of my pets, but I still like him a bit. He likes me a lot, obviously, because I'm his mama. All right, now I'm going to hit the inner corner with the pink. Do something a little freaking weird. I don't know if that's going to even... I don't know if that looks good. Does that look stupid? I don't know. Does that look stupid? I'm going to top it with a little bit of that white and see if I can make it like more of a pale pink because I'm not sure how I feel. Ooh, yeah, I like that more. I actually don't know if this is white or if this is a pale pink itself. It looks kind of like a pale pink by itself. Fuck yeah. See, that looks cool. Okay, and I'm going to hit my brow bone with that as well. Cool. Dope. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do the other eye, add some liner, and I'll be right back to give you some swatches. Cool. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look that I went ahead and put on for you. Yeah, I paired it with like a nude dark lip. I thought that'd look kind of cool. I was gonna do black, but I didn't know if y'all were ready for black. I feel like a few select people would have been like, hell yeah, but a lot of people would have been like, whoa, that's too much. So I decided to make it a little more wearable, if you will. So yeah, I went with like a dark nude. Everyone likes the nude, I guess. This is Tuscany? Wait, Verona. This is Verona by Ofra. I'm just realizing that Ofra's liquid lipsticks are amazing. Like, I don't even like liquid lipsticks, but this formula is so good, so I want to buy a lot of them. Let me know down below if you know who has a good coupon code. I know people have them, but I don't know if people have different percentages. So if whoever's got like the most off from Ofra, let me know, because I need to buy like, I think I have like 15 in my cart, to be honest. Oh shit. All right, let me go ahead and give you these swatches real quick. Since they are numbers and not names, I'm not going to say each number because you're not going to remember anyway, right? And I don't think they're sold individually, so I'm just going to swatch them like by row, and then we will talk about my final thoughts about formula and the names. I'd like to discuss why they're just numbers a little bit, you know? I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and send you to the swatches. So this is the palette here. We're going to go in this order like that. That didn't look right. This order like that. All right. All right, so those were the swatches there, still fresh and dirty from swatching. I think they swatch fine. I don't think they swatch great. I feel like a lot of them swatch a little sheer. That purple's super sheer, but it showed up real good on the eyes. The pink and blue are a little bit sheer. The darker ones swatched super pigmented. So I don't think they swatch the best, but I think swatches are kind of pointless, as I'm sure everyone has said now. We're not really into swatches anymore, but I still do them to show the color against my skin. But performance-wise, you see that they obviously perform fine on the eyes. I just rubbed that all in together because choices. So anyways, final review on the Makeup Forever 9 Artist Shadow Palette. God, I can't remember that name. I think it's good. I like it. I think it was worth the money. I'm not even like a bit, oh, I just realized that it folds completely back. Plus, more of a plus. But I don't normally love shimmers. I didn't realize when I bought this it was all shimmers, but you know what? I kind of dig how colorful shimmers look. I feel like it worked well on the eye. I feel like they're all pretty. This shade surprised me because it's actually a light pink, which I guess when you look at it, it kind of looks like it, but I thought it was going to be like white. So I like it a lot. I think the palette's good. I think if you want something with colorful shimmer, this is really good. Especially if you wanted to get, what was it? The, what is her name? For the life of me. Kristen Leanne. Colorful palette. It's not the same, but they're colorful shimmers, which I feel like I like. I think I like color shimmer, not like neutral shimmer. I think that's where we're at. I don't know. We'll see. My tastes change all the time, but I, for now, do like this. I think you need to put it on your eyes to see how you like it performs. How you like it performs. Okay. I think you need to put it on the eye to see how it really performs, because swatch-wise, I don't think that would sell me, you know what I mean? But I try not to take that into consideration too much. I don't like that the names are numbers. I don't know why. It just feels kind of impersonal to me. That's just me. I don't know. Maybe that's because in my life I name everything. Like, see that bear? That is frickin' Franklin. That tiger back there, that is Kumar. Like, everything in my life has a name. This is, well, this is Tubby Mutton Chops. The bird on my leg is Gordo. I name all of the things in my life. So for shadows not to have names, it feels sort of impersonal, but that could just be a weirdness that I have of naming inanimate objects and everything in my life. So overall, I think it's a thumbs up. I think if you can still get it on sale, you should go for it, because it was like half off, and if you want to add a colorful shimmer palette to your collection, this is a pretty good one to do. I do not regret picking it up. So yeah, if it's something that you've been interested in, I don't think you'll dislike the formula. Just know it's all shimmers. And with that said, that completes this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up if you can. I don't think you can. And subscribe to my channel. Join the Brat Pack, because I would love to have you here. I know my friends would like to hang out. They're like a group, but there's not very many of them. And I'm sure they'd like some new blood, you know? We need a funny fat kid. We need a wise ass. We need some people up in here. So why don't you join the Brat Pack? Let's hang out. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment down a snowflake emoji because of the blue in my crease and the fact that it's finally cold in LA and it feels like winter. It is Christmas time. Do you guys want a Christmas tutorial? I'm a Christmas ass bitch. I'm going to say that now. If you've seen on my Instagram stories, which I'm on Instagram constantly, it's the same as my YouTube, Bratterstein, or for fitness, it's Fatterstein, just with an F. I'm posting Christmas stuff a lot because I am a Christmas ass bitch. I've been binging on Christmas playlists on iTunes, and I would love to do a Christmas look. I don't know what I would do, but I'll do one. Just let me know if you want it. And with that said, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my video. If you're still watching videos, why don't you watch one of these over here? These are videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time, because I think it's a good idea. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.